barbecue bacon cheddar meatloafs. So the first thing you need to do is get your big mixing bowl ready. After you preheat your oven to 425, you need 2 pounds of ground beef. I think this is probably going to be closer to 2.5, possibly 3, but it's fine. I'm going to break it up in there. Okay. And we need 6 ounces of chili sauce, and this bottle is 12 ounces. So I guess we're going to pour half this bottle in here. Hope that's right. Let's see. Bacon pieces instead of cooked crumbled bacon, but you can do however you need to. And I'll put the recipe below, that way you'll have the exact recipe. Okay. Need to mix in 1.5 cups of shredded cheddar. This is extra sharp, but you can use sharp or a blend. So you need 1.5 cups. That's about 1.5 there. I kind of loosely mix that together. It's not really well combined yet because I'm going to dig it with my fingers and hands in a second. Okay. Now we need to put in our seasoning. You need 1 teaspoon of onion powder, a little extra, 1 teaspoon of seasoned salt, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. We need Worcestershire sauce. We need 2 tablespoons of that. 1, 2, I'm gonna put just a little bit extra because I got a little bit extra meat. Alright, and we need 1 teaspoon of mustard, yellow mustard. Mix all that together. Okay. Now, last thing before we form the patties, we need to add 2 beaten eggs to it. Okay. Let me see if I can find my gloves so I won't get too disgusting. So we're going to have to dig in with our hands and get this all mixed up. One of my favorite YouTubers made this just the other day, and I thought that'd be great for my channel as well. Her name's Mandy in the Making. I do need to kind of give her a little shout out there. So she made it look effortless, so we'll see. Okay, give me a few minutes and let me get my cookie sheet out. Okay. I'm going to messily, if that's a word, try to get all this combined in here. I'm just going to get it here with my hands because this is not working for me. Alright. So you're supposed to make 8 little mini meatloafs. And like I said, I used a little bit extra meat. So we'll see how it goes. First, we probably need to go ahead and make our just little huge meatballs first. And kind of do it evenly. Let's see how far we can get. I should have at least 2, possibly 3 extra. Which I'm sure is going to be fine with my kids because they love meatloaf. Alright. Well, no, I'm not going to have any extra. Looks like I'm going to have about what I need. So I'm going to put a little bit off these other ones. It's a little bit too much. Yep, 8 loaves, and they're probably a little bit bigger than they're supposed to, but it's okay. Alright, so let's get this ready. So you just kind of make little mounds. Don't have to be perfect or anything. Don't forget, these are going to shrink too. So, and I used chuck, I think, ground chuck. Just kind of do it this way a little bit. All right, now let me get my hands washed. And I'll show you the last step. Okay, that was messy. Okay, now the next step is to make little indentions or depressions. Let me get my barbecue sauce ready. In the top of each little meatloaf. And you could do it with your finger, like this. So just kind of go like that. Okay. And I'm just going to put just a little bit in each little indentation. Okay. Alright, the last step is to stick it in there and bake for 25 minutes. Stick it in a 425-degree oven, bake for 25 minutes. See you in a minute. So we have a new twist on an old favorite. And it's best served with mashed potatoes and green peas.